Okay, let me show you now how to place a conditional orders using this window here. In that window, you need to select if it's a buy or a sell that you want to do. Now we have a fairly heavy going down position here, or price movement at the moment, so let's go with a sell. Okay, now if you click into the entry box, you need to choose if it's a limit order, a stop order, or a at market order. So let's go with market order for the purpose of this example. Now the checkbox for slippage is already checked, so it is showing us the preset level. Of course you can reduce it manually, but that number 5 is a preset into the preferences. So there's a video on the preferences that I recommend that you listen to, so you'll understand where those presets come from. And of course there are some presets for the stop loss and the take profit. So look carefully on the screen in the area of the price here. If you click on stop loss, it will appear at the preset distance. Of course, if you say, well, I want the stop loss to be a little bit higher than the previous little peak here, you can drag it manually. Same thing for the take profit. Let's say that the take profit is the preset of 10 pips, and you think it's not close enough because it's Friday and so on. You can bring it more close, and then you just need to submit, and then you have an order on the market. Okay, now you can, of course, if you change your mind and you want the stop loss to be closer, you can drag it and submit it, and it will change the position of your stop loss. Okay, same thing with the take profit. If you want to bring it a little bit closer and then submit, it will bring it closer. Okay, now I want to show you how to place a conditional order or an order directly on the screen. So you just right click anywhere on the chart and say that, let's say that you want to do another buy order. Okay, let's go with a buy stock. Okay, and this order you can see on the screen, whoops, here, and I can move it and bring it closer to the actual price, and then I can use the preset settings same as the other one, and then submit. Now if the price move up, it will take that order. There's a conditional order entry here at 51.90 for the ask to be equal or higher than 1.5190. Okay, so if it goes to that level, it will trigger the order. So we have only one at the moment, and then we'll wait for it to move up. Here we go. So we have two orders now, okay, on the screen with preset take profit and stop losses. Okay, now I want to show you how to do a partial close of an order. So we have two orders here. One is a sell, one is a buy, and one is 0.05 and one is 0.25. So let's say that we want to close 0.2 of this order. So we just right click on it and say conditional close, and then you say I want to close 0.2 of this order, and then you just submit. Poof. Now you're left out with 2.05 orders on the market. Okay, so it evens it out. Okay, you'll stay always at the same level. Okay, now I want to show you how to merge orders. So just for the purpose of this example, I will open a new buy order of, let's say, 0.25 again, okay, in a one-click position, just like that. Boom. Now, when you do merge orders, you need first to eliminate the pending orders. And either you double click on it and select it and delete it right on the screen one by one, or you go to this one and those are the pending orders, and you can select them all, only the pending orders, right click on it and say cancel selected, and now you don't have any more of those pending orders. And you're back with your 3 positions, and if you want to merge them all together, you can select it, all of them, by this button, or individually if you want only those 2, or maybe just those 2. But for the purpose of this example, we'll select all of them, and we have 0.05 short, 0.05 long, and 0.25, and we want to merge them. So you right click on any one and you say merge selected, and you'll be left out with only one order of 0.25. so that's the combination of all of them for a long position. Then of course you can put back your stop loss and put back a take profit. Maybe you want a different level, and now you have only one order combined all together into one position.